Hello everyone and welcome back to Milo Farms. Well, today we're going to be replacing this third brake light bulb on this 2015 Smart for 2 model 451. This will apply for most of the Smart for 2s, the third brake light. The coupes at least. I'm not sure about the soft top model. So first thing we're going to do is go ahead and remove the bolt on the left and the bolt on the right. And then we'll take the light apart. Now that the light is apart, you'll twist this to expose the bulb. There's the light bulb. Clearly it is burned out. So I've got these new LED bulbs. I'll link to these on Amazon, and we're going to go ahead and replace it with one of those. There's the new bulb in, and it indicates on the package that these are not polarity sensitive, so you can put it in either direction. We'll go ahead and twist the socket back into the light, and we'll test it. And there the bulb is illuminated. Everything looks good. All in all, a pretty easy repair. So be sure to check out the link in the description, and remember, you can't finish a project without getting started.